Oh yes. So here I am, just doing nothing. I'm at my computer. Here's Allie. And what do we have in our printer? Wait. Our printer. This is our printer. Guess what's in it?
Flash scanner.
Just guess what's in it. Ow, my legs. Just guess what's in it.
Ew.
Ants with eggs. There are ants in the computer. Look, wanna watch them? There's millions. Wait. There it is. They're coming. There's like 20 of them in there. They're just running around like crazy.
He's posing for us.
Watch. They're coming. Look, they're everywhere. Look.
Where are they coming from?
We don't know.
Don't know.
Yeah. Yesterday was like, or past weekend was like 3 of them in there. And they're like, okay, it's just 3. They'll leave. The next day, which is today, it's like 300. Okay, they'll come out eventually. There they are. Maybe if you turn off the light. Hold on. Well, you can't really see. But they're coming.
Turn the light away. Turn the light away.
Isn't that disgusting? It's just disgusting.
Turn the light
Okay,
away.
thanks for watching. Bye.